Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about semantic tags in HTML. In the previous class we had discussed about the forms in depth, like using the table inside the form, right? For the proper alignment we had been gone through it. But today our topic is about semantic tags. Okay, what are semantic tags? Okay, and that means semantic tags will have the proper meaning. Okay, the browser can understand it properly. And there are examples of semantic tags. First one is the header. Okay, first one is the header tag. Second one is a nav tag. Third one is a section tag. Fourth one is a article tag. And fifth one is a aside tag. Sixth one is a footer tag. Or we have figure. Okay, and we have figure caption. Okay, these are the some of the semantic tags. These are the some examples of semantic tags. Okay, as semantic tags will help in understanding the programmer and browser what is the purpose we are using the particular tag. Okay, and we will see that by looking the example. Here it is a header portion, nav bar. In header section you will be having the nav, and this is a section, this is article, this is a site. Okay, if you want to write a blog, we are going to use some aside properties, and this is an article type, it's a footer. Okay, uh, if you type semantic tags in HTML, you will see the number of diametrical representations. Okay, these are the okay, this div is comes under the non-semantic tag that does not have the particular meaning. The browser does not understand it properly. Okay, no meaning for the div and span, those comes under the non-semantic tags. We will discuss that in our upcoming class, but up to this our semantic tags will be this. Okay, these are the some of the examples of the semantic tags. Let's we do that practically. Just create the boilerplate and name it as semantic tags. And if we go for this, our first one is the header, right? In header you can write like h5 or h4 is equals to web page. Okay, web page. In this, take the now. Okay, inside the now take the ul, then li a and https colon slash slash www dot no need of it, just mention the slash, and this is the home page. Okay, if I take li a and let it put the about us. Okay, then take the li a hashtag contact. Okay, if you see the output, 1 minute, just open with the live server, you are able to see this. Okay, and if you want to make this, okay, we will see that later, but come to the point of main. Okay, inside that section, okay, as a section will consisting various parts, right? First I will go ahead with paragraph of lorem 25, control a, just right click and format the document. Okay, you are able to see in a particular good structure. Okay, after that take article. Okay, articles like about HTML, and you are going to write some articles. This is web page. Okay, so let's write HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Okay, after the article, just write aside. Okay, aside p with lorem 5. Okay, and after that, if you want to include up to here is completed, I want to take figure. Okay, let's take figure. In that, take the img, go to the website. Okay, and type HTML images unsplash. Go for that, copy the image address, just paste it here, Control A, and format the document. Okay, you will get in a good view, and mention header if that is missing. Set up the height with 200 pixel and width with 300 pixel, and you can also give the title HTML image as image. Okay, and if you want to use figure caption, okay, figure, I mean, you will be having figure caption, right? You can use like quick caption. This is HTML image. Okay, if you go for our page, you are able to see that this is HTML page. Okay, and after that, at the end of that, take the footer. In footer and in NBLA, and what you are going to get this. Okay, copyright 2005. Okay, okay, this is, I mean, it won't give some differences what we are using directly, but the browser can understand particular tag name and its purpose. Okay, while we are using, I mean, while we are connecting with the CSS, we are easily, you can understood what type of you are going to using and how to handle that. But it's only the naming convention that the browser and developer will understand. Okay, without the semantic tags, before there only the div tags, which are non-semantic tags. Okay, the browser cannot have an idea what is its purpose. So HTML5 is came with the semantic tags. Okay, and if you want to make it good, we can use the CSS. Okay, and just go for the style. Okay, if I want to just use it here as UL and class, let's take the give the class name. Okay, let's give the class name. I want to give the class name as nav links. Okay, how we are accessing the class names? We can access the class names by the dot, target the nav links. Okay, then we have to apply display flex. Okay, then these will be assigned horizontally. Before applying this, they are in vertical. If you are applying this, they are in a column wise, right? As a flex, we will discuss in CSS, but it's better some an idea. For the idea purpose I was using, and justify content space between. Okay, you are able to see the space between. Okay, or you can use the width of 200%. Sorry, you can use 50%. Okay, or else before using that, okay, just go for fill 80 float, right? Okay, they set it right. Yeah, that's the use of float. And here we are going to use the width as 50 percentage, and or you can use, and just target the LIs and give lister style. Just target the li and give the lister style as none. Okay, I mean the dots has been removed. By default list is consisting some types, right? Okay, we had discussed the list types in our previous class. And moreover, okay, text decoration none. Okay, and this is how we are going to use the flex property, and we will look more regarding the CSS in our upcoming classes, but it's all about semantic tags. Okay, we have the around 9 semantic tags as a header user for the heading section, nav user for creating nav bar, nav links section used to create one section. Okay, we have multiple sections inside a one page, and article used to write some, if you want like blog or the type of website, if you want to keep an article about some matter, then you can use the article. Okay, and aside used to take one portion to side, and footer at the end of that we are going to use figure and figure caption. If you are facing, if you are inserting the figure, if you want to give the some caption, I mean what the figure is saying about. Okay, if you want to place any caption for that, you can use this figure and figure caption as a main. It's a main, I mean inside the main only we are going to use all these section, articles, figure caption. Okay, and that's all about the semantic tags in HTML. And we will see that designing the web page or the portfolio we will design at the end of the this playlist, that is after the bootstrap, or after after this HTML and CSS we will design one portfolio page. Okay, no issue with that, but it's a concept of semantic tags. If you want to make more beautiful this page, it will take longer than expected duration, so I was stopping it. If you have any doubt, just comment me below. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.